How to fix if Honor 200 can't receive the text messages. So to fix this issue, first of all, try restarting your phone. So to restart your phone, press and hold this side button. And then from this menu, tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and restarting your phone can fix small software glitches like messages issue. But after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then check your network connection. So if you are getting 3 or less than 3 bars of signals, then your network is not good. So move to an area where you can get good signals. And after getting good signals, if you're still facing the same issue, then for the next solution, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and here click on this apps option again, and then scroll down and look for messages app. Now here tap on messages, and then in messages app, go to the storage and clear the app data and cache memory of messages app. Now to clear the app data, tap on clear data, and from the pop-up tap on OK to confirm. And to clear the cache memory, tap on clear cache, and the cache memory will be cleared. Now after doing this, the messages will start working properly. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is open settings again. Scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates, and then tap on software update. Now from here, check if your phone's software is up to date or not. So if you have not updated the phone's software, then tap on download and install to update the phone software. And after updating, the messages app will start working properly and you will start receiving the text messages. So that's how you can fix if Honor 200 can't receive text messages. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.